Students, welcome back. Hope you all are good. Now, this is the next poem from the textbook Beehive. As we have already finished up with the chapter packing, now the duck and the kangaroo, it's same where about the friendship where it's actually the nonsense verse which is not actually needed. Practical, it's not possible, but yes, you can enjoy the rhyme and the love or the bond or how they are getting each other. The duck and the kangaroo. This is a humorous poem of a kind known as nonsense verse by Edward Lear. Read it and enjoy it. So it's just a humorous poem just to create the humor. Now this is the kangaroo and the duck. The conversation between the kangaroo and the duck. It goes like this. The first stanza is, said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if never would stop. Now the kangaroo is saying to the duck is saying to the kangaroo that good gracious, how you hop. Now this word shows as if the duck is flattering or praising kangaroo for his hopping style, the way he hops, jumps from one place to another, that is hopping over the fields and the water too. So duck is saying that kangaroo jumps, hops even over the fields as well as in the water too. It shows as if he is not going to stop ever. He will just keep on hopping and jumping and moving in the fields and the seas without giving a pause. My life is bored in this nesty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. And what else the duck is saying to the kangaroo? That my life is boring. Where? In this nesty pond. Where his life is boring? Nesty, dirty pond. As we all are very well aware that the duck lives in the water. Most of you have enjoyed the duck rides also, right? So here my life is boring in this nesty pond and I long to go out in the world beyond. First of all, my life is boring in this nesty means dirty pond and I long. Here I long means I wish or I'm willing to go. Here I wish to long to go means I wish to go out in the world beyond. Now, what is my wish? I am wishing that I should go in this world. I should travel this world. I wish I could hop like you. What is the duck is saying? I am wishing that I could hop like you. I could jump like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. The duck is saying to the kangaroo. So, first four lines where the duck is praising, flattering in some words. The duck is flattering the kangaroo, and in four lines he's sharing his pain that he's feeling bored in this dirty pond and he's wishing to travel the world, to have a tour in the world. Now let's move on to the second stanza. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. Now what he is pleading, now what request he is doing, that please give me a ride on your back. I need a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack quack. I'll sit still. Here the still means without shaking, without moving or without disturbing. Nothing else I would say apart quack quack. I'll just show my excitement or happiness by saying only quack quack. Nothing else I would say which will disturb you. The whole of the long day through, and we would go to the Jelly-Bully, over the land and over the sea. Now, what else the duck is saying? That we'll enjoy whole day. Which places we will go? The name of the places which have been uttered by the duck, that is the Jelly-Bully, even over the land, over the sea. We will cross the seas, we will cross the land and we will enjoy the whole world. Please take me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo. Now again duck is pleading, making a request that please take me to a ride. Will you do that for me? Said the duck to the kangaroo. Now here in the second stanza it is the duck is pleading, making the request and telling the places, the name of the places which the duck wants to enjoy. The duck wants to have a ride on. So name of the places are Jelly-Bully and various over the land and over the sea. The duck wants to enjoy. Now let's move on to the third stanza. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatis, said the kangaroo. Now, in the third stanza, again, now it's the time to reply the kangaroo. Till in the first two stanza, we have seen where the duck was pleading and flattering as he wants to ride on the back of the kangaroo. So now what the kangaroo is saying, what the kangaroo is replying, that this requires some little reflection. This required some reflections. Here the word reflection means there are certain problems. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me a luck. It's really the good. I will be lucky if you will have a ride on my back. It means I'll get some companion, the company. And there seems but one objection. But there is one objection. There is one problem. Actually, here objection means there is one problem we will face if I'll take you on the ride now, which is if you will let me speak so bold. Now the kangaroo is saying there is one problem. What is that problem? I'll speak it boldly, means frankly, without any hesitation. You will allow me to speak that problem. What is that problem? That your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Now boldly, without any fear. Right? The kangaroo is asking that if you allow me, there is one objection, there is one problem. What is that? That your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. As in the first stanza, we have already seen that the duck lives in the pond, in that dirty pond. So obviously his feet will be wet and cold all time, and you would probably give me the rheumatis, said the kangaroo. And as if I'll take you on a ride on my back, I'll suffer with the rheumatis. Rheumatis is a type of fever. I'll catch a cold. Cold here means fever. It's a type of fever. Rheumatis is a fever. So if here the kangaroo in the third stanza have shared the problems, that what problems he can come across if he will allow the duck on his back to have a ride. So here also he has shared his